Welcome back, everybody. All part of my promise to try to deliver more videos here on my channel. Need to make them easier, more fun to do. I just realized that I have not shown the brand new sauces here on my YouTube channel. Now, I've been premiering these on Blackstone's social media over the past couple of weeks. I filmed a video with one of these down in Texas last week as well, and I've used them quite a bit. So these are the brand new Blackstone Sear and Serve sauces, a Walmart exclusive. 3 varieties here. First one is called Korean Sweet Fire, and I really like it. It's been great for stir fry. Got a little bit of spice to it, so it depends. If you're a spice wimp, if you are a total sissy when it comes to spices, you might not like it. But I would say, just being a guy that enjoys normal spice, I don't like extra hot stuff, I would put this at a 5.5. You know, maybe a 6 for the spice level, 10 being the hottest. So, you know, take that for what it's worth. I love it, and it's perfect for a bunch of different stuff, but it gives you a lot of options. Of course, stir fry is one, and this can be used as marinades. It can be used with chicken. It can be used with turkey. It can be used with all types of food on the griddle. Next being the loaded Italian. Now this one is my early favorite, by the way. Can you see me? This is my early favorite. I love it. This reminds me a lot, and I think it was loosely based on the famous upstate New York Speedy sauce. Now, if you don't know what Speedy sauce is, Speedy is a sandwich made for the New York State Fair up around Binghamton, New York. And a Speedy sandwich is a sandwich where they take skewered chicken, veal, turkey, lamb, all that white meat, and they put it on and they put it on a skewer. They cook it over charcoal, and they basically marinate it in an Italian kind of dressing, serve it up on a hoagie roll. Well, this resembles that a lot, so you can use this for making things like the Speedy chicken sandwich, or this can be used as a marinade. I mean, you have to let your imagination run wild, but early on, using it as a Speedy style chicken sandwich sauce and marinade has been one of my favorite things, but you be the judge there. And of course, Sesame Teriyaki. Filmed a video on this in Texas, and so I'll be getting that edited and uploaded eventually. But it's got a really good sesame flavor, maybe a hint of citrus, a little bit of teriyaki in there as well, and just great, you know, for all your stir fry, whether you're using the noodles, whether you're using rice, chicken, whatever, or the ingredient that I use down in Texas. But these are the brand new Blackstone Sear and Serve sauces, and I thought it'd be fun to just bring you another video today. Keep the content rolling here on my channel, and this weekend you want to look for me. There I am. You'll see me live on Blackstone social media. I'll be live this Sunday as well, and I'm busy editing a lot of video for Blackstone's Let's Give It a Try show on Blackstone social media. Super excited about the new sauces, so I wanted to make sure that on YouTube here, other than Blackstone's social media, that I brought them to you first. You'll see these at Walmart when you see them. I don't work at Walmart, and you know, garden centers will be getting new products out in the coming year. Of course, that could be anywhere between January to March, depending on where you live, whether you're down south in Florida or up North Dakota, let's say. So hopefully you enjoyed looking at these, folks. Stay tuned for those. There's the Blackstone 28-inch air fryer combo back there, and I'll be picking winners. I got a bunch of different apron giveaways going on all my social media right now. But until next time, everybody, so yeah, make sure you're entered to win those aprons over there. I'm not giving these away, though. These are mine. Until next time, everybody, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the sauces.